In this video, we will be going through a GCSE Higher Paper 1 Maths exam. We are not allowed to use a calculator for this exam.
So question 1, part A says, work out 0.7 multiplied by 0.5. So we have 0.7 times by 0.5. Now we will remove this decimal mark from both the decimal numbers and put a 10 in the denominator because there is one digit after the decimal mark. So now we have 7 multiplied by 5 divided by 100. 7 times 5 over 100. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 over 100. And as a decimal, this would be 0.35. Part B says, work out 5 over 6 divided by 3. We have 5 over 6, and we will multiply this by a third, because the reciprocal of 3 is a third, and to change the division sign into a multiplication sign, we take the reciprocal of the number after it. Now we will simply multiply. 5 times 1 is 5, and 6 times 3 is 18, so our answer is 5 over 18. Part C says, work out 27 divided by 0.6. This can also be written as 27 over 0.6. Now, if we remove the decimal mark from the denominator, we will multiply the numerator by 10. 6 and 10 are divisible by 2, so 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then 3 and 27 are divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So we are left with 9 times by 5, which is equal to 45. So our answer is 45. Now moving on to question 2, it says, solve 2x is less than 26. Now inequalities are solved in the exact same way as we solve equations. The only difference is that instead of the equal to sign, we will have the inequality sign. So in this inequality, we will take 2 to the other side and divide it by 26. That would be x is less than 26 divided by 2. So x is less than 13. So our answer is x is less than 13. Question 3 says, work out the value of 3 over 2 squared. Give your answer as a mixed number. Now, these brackets only mean that the squared is going to be applied to the numerator as well as the denominator. So we can also write this as 3 squared over 2 squared. 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4. This can be written as 2 whole 1 over 4 as a mixed number. Moving on to question 4, it says ABC, BD, and BE are straight lines. Angle EBD is 5 times angle ABE. Angle DBC is 3 times angle ABE. Work out the size of angle EBD. So we know the angle EBD, which is this one, it's 5 times angle ABE. So this is 5 times angle ABE. Angle DBC, so this one is 3 times angle ABE. That would be 3 times angle ABE. Work out the size of angle EBD, so this one. So if we give angle ABE a name, for example, let's just call it X, angle EBD would be 5x, and angle DBC would be 3x. Now we know that all angles on a straight line equal up to 180 degrees. So to find x, we can make the equation x plus 5x plus 3x is equal to 180 degrees. X plus 5x is 6x, 6x plus 3x is 9x. So 9x is equal to 180 degrees. We'll take 9 to the other side and divide it by 180, which would give us 20 degrees. So angle ABE is 20 degrees. So we know that angle ABE is 20 degrees. But we don't need to find this angle. We have to find angle EBD. So angle EBD is 5x, so 5 times x. So that would be 5 times 20, which is equal to 100. So angle EBD is equal to 100 degrees. Moving on to our last question for this video, it says 2 prime numbers are multiplied together. The answer is an even number between 50 and 60. Complete the calculation. So we know that 2 prime numbers are going to be multiplied together, and the answer is going to be an even number between 50 and 60. So let's just write down all the even numbers between 50 and 60. We have 52, 54, 56, and 58. Now notice I did not include 50 or 60 because it never says inclusive, it says between. Now we need to figure out 2 prime numbers. We're going to multiply together, give us one of these 4 numbers. You will notice that 2 and 29 multiplied together gives us 58. So this is our answer.